Hello everyone, today we will see a simple basic program to find the area of a circle. So first of all we need to take the input of radius from the user. So in the first line, that is line number 10, we are writing input radius of the circle. Now I have written radius of circle in double quotation. Now I will put a comma and store the radius into a variable called r. Then in the line number 20 I am defining another variable which is going to store the value of the area. Let's say the variable is a, so a is going to store the value 3.14 times r times r, which is nothing but pi r square. So a is the variable which stores the value of the area. So in the line number 30 we are going to print the uh, value of the variable a, that is the area of the circle. So for printing we will simply write print, again double quotation, the area of the circle is comma, no need to put comma here, we can just simply type r, sorry, a. Then in line number 40 we are ending our program. Let's run this. See, the system is asking for the radius of the circle. So let's say the radius is 7. Now I'm hitting enter. See, the area of the circle is 153.86, and that's how the program is working fine.